goes through there and into here and to here, and I'll have to get a fuse on this. Yeah, I'll let it continue for a short time just to empty the like I say, get a fuse on there. 2 amp fuse or 5 amp fuse. 5 amp is sufficient. And the water from the guttering system, and there's only 3 lots of gutters, 4 lots of gutters, fills these barrels in a couple of days, maybe 2 or 3 days with the downpour. Fills 55 gallons times 22, well 9/10 anyway, and you don't need to use any paid for water. What you can see there is water coming in and water going out. The water coming in is from the barrels, purely from, can't think of the word at present, water, as you know, always finds its own level, and there's 22 barrels with water in them at present. 3/4 or thereabouts of water. So in a very short time, I would say 20 minutes, is going to almost fill this barrel again to 3/4 full. Yeah. Right, coming towards the almost empty now. You can hear the pump changing sound. If you're not happy about letting it run dry, then just put a float switch in, or a timer. Either way, you know how long it takes to empty the barrel, so it's straightforward to do. Right, now it's emptying, reach the bottom of the, going towards the bottom of the barrel, and it's running dry. And I could leave it for an hour. I won't continue doing that though, and it's filling up. It's been doing that for months now. Well, 3 months. It's taken 2 years to do, to sort out, yeah? Right, so I've just switched it off there my way. Right, I noticed that the barrels were 2/3 full, all of them. Yet there were 9/10 full, or certainly 8/10 all full yesterday. I've not used any water, I've not used it. How's it gone out? I'll tell you why. It's gone out because these are still connected. So it's just capillary action, it's sending water. It won't be sending water all the way down, I don't think. I'll have to check, but I can't imagine that. It's certainly losing water because its height is lower than the barrels. So I've lost less, whatever, 3/10 of a barrel in 24 hours. All I need to do is switch off there, or put a solenoid valve on. Yeah, that's all I need to do. And for now.